Hey, a quick recap of what we have done in privacy engineering during this week. Important. We did an important topic, and I thought it's important to create a summary of what we have done. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, we are talking about a quick recap on what have we covered under privacy engineering and what should you do next? How should you benefit out of this? Well, if you have not watched any of the videos in the playlist, please go ahead and do that. What are the 7 building blocks we explored? We spoke about what privacy engineering is. The idea that you are building in the design components of your system such that the privacy is automatically taken care of. And we are talking specifically about product development when it comes to privacy engineering. We spoke about the difference between pseudonymization and anonymization and the real scenarios where these should be used or not used, right? Then we also spoke about the role of encryption in data protection in DPDP Act, and it has been one of the important tools that DPDP Act also refers to is to be used when it comes to using encryption. We spoke about data minimization in practice, why and how you should ensure that you're collecting only the data you need and not anything extra. Of course, it has to be purposeful and free consent. Retention and deletion planning should be done. And we spoke about consent management systems also. How consent management should work, how should they be, there should be a third party sharing of consent, and a lot more details on consent with respect to privacy engineering, with respect to data protection or DPDP Act. Finally, yesterday we had spoken about auditing and spoken about logging of whatever activities are happening so that you ensure that your systems are accountable and you are accountable and whatever your people are doing is getting recorded somewhere. This matters a lot. Why does it matter? It matters because data breaches and compliance pressures are increasing. A lot of breaches happening, there's a lot of pressure for compliance. Cross-border data transfer is very, very important. It seems nothing has happened, but you don't even realize that your data is not there in your country or not there in India. You need to come out of the policy only or another policy mindset, and you need to actually apply that policy to your business. DPDP Act also demands real world changes and not no more dependent on just creating something and keeping it up there. So start at implementation level, just have a relook at privacy engineering videos and see how they help you in your particular business, or you can contact me if you need any assistance in deploying any of these practices. As a next step, review your own systems, do an internal audit to see where are the gaps in your systems. Start documenting the privacy architecture. Very, very important thing. Start documenting your privacy architecture and enhance your and your team's learnings about privacy and put them in practice. You may end up making mistakes, you may end up wasting some money, but until you start, you will never finish. And don't wait only for the law to be there before you actually start applying your learnings and you actually start deploying DPDP Act in your system. So that's about privacy engineering. We'll start a new playlist tomorrow. If you like this video, please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.